Tire is on the back. That is a gigantuous back tire. Not bragging or nothing like that, but then again, I am kind of bragging. Okay, guys, if you can't hear this, I'm going to turn the volume down, then I'll do a voiceover. But I always stress, first and foremost, you must ride your protective gear at all time. And I know y'all seeing what I'm showing you, right? Look at that bling, y'all. That bling, okay? Those are actually real Swarovski crystals in my helmet and also on those glasses, guys. Yes, honey, I do ride blinged out. And for those of you who haven't seen, I don't have them on today because I thought I was gonna find my gloves, and the length of the nails wouldn't fit in the length of the nails would not be a good fit in my gloves.
If you have not seen the nails that I'm talking about, the Boujee nails on a budget Harley Davidson nails, it's a definite must-see. I'll have a link for it in my description box.
So there you go. Swarovski crystals in the helmet, y'all. Okay, representing. Oh, oops, coming up on a stop sign. That was a stop sign, guys, if you can hear me. instruction. No, we don't want that. Oh, I gotta get on the regular street. I was trying to avoid doing that with the phone in my chest.
Mother's is one of the instructors today. I'm just range aid. See the cones that I set up. This is what I do. I set up the cones. And what a nice beautiful day here at work. Here until 8 o'clock tonight. Man, I love this job. But I'm gonna be learning how to become an instructor myself next season.
So this is me. I'm here at this range, and my son did this on me before, so now I'm doing it on him. He is a certified instructor. Last video that he recorded, he said that he was going to be one day. Well, he's been one now in his second season, and I'm doing this to mimic the video clip that he did of me. I think he's even standing there the same way I did.